will tell what is a planet and star. Planets and stars are celestial bodies planets are celestial bodies that orbit around the sun or another star, and stars are also celestial bodies. So let's continue our solar system. So first, sun. Sun is a star made with helium and hydrogen. It is not a fireball. Then our first planet means Mercury. Mercury is the smallest in our solar system and closest to the sun. Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system because of his hot atmosphere, and also through Venus sulfuric acid cloud. Then our home planet, yes, our Earth. Our Earth have 3 life animals and humans, and also water and grass. Then Mars. Mars is a rocky planet that is also called red planet. Then our solar system's asteroid belt. Asteroid belt has many asteroids in asteroid belt. Asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Then our largest planet, yes, Jupiter. Jupiter is also made with hydrogen and helium and also called a failed star. Jupiter has a big storm in our solar system that is called the Great Red Spot. And Jupiter is the largest. Then Saturn. Saturn is also made with hydrogen and helium, and it is also a gassy giant like Jupiter. And it is famous for his beautiful rings. Then Uranus. Uranus has also rings made with ice and dust, and Uranus rings are very thick. And Uranus is also very cold in our solar system through Uranus atmosphere. Then Neptune. Neptune is farthest from the sun, and also it have a storm named by the Great Dark Spot. Like Jupiter has the Great Red Spot, Neptune has also storm that's name is the Great Dark Spot. And Neptune is also farthest from the sun, and also blew through Neptune's methane gas, because methane reflects sun's red light and absorbs sun red light and reflects blue light. So Neptune is very blue.